Phenotech's latest encryption was cracked by anonymous hackers late last night. With multiple NSA contracts, this failure has the military worried about San Francisco's only female-run tech giant. General Clint claims that such threats have been aborted and will be avoided in the short term.
Sorry, this is a...
Yes, I know.
The vulnerabilities, are they patched?
We've plugged a lot of them, but more keep popping up.
Firewall's down to 40%. Where are the encryption locks?
There are only 3 left. This is an organized attack. We can't stop them.
Drop everything. All computing power goes towards protecting federal data.
No, that's impossible. Every company using our encryption will sue us into oblivion.
The money doesn't matter if military intel gets leaked. Our soldiers' lives are at stake. Hold the damn line.
God, who could that be? Military? Government? I just wish for a quick, clean death.
Phenotech, scheduled network maintenance is all done. Just in signature.
God, that stupid repair guy.
I do not have time for network maintenance right now. You're gonna have to wait. We all went to Harvard, MIT, Caltech. The cost of our degrees could quite literally fund a small country. And yet, anonymous hackers are stealing data from right under our nose. Nobody has a solution.
Because it's impossible! I mean, we've tried everything, but their attacks are unstoppable. Well, we could try tracing them, but...
No. Only ex-company core systems can support an analysis on that scale.
All right.
You mean the Xavier family company? No, that's impossible. They only work with government, Google, Microsoft level clients. They're not gonna help us. It's not gonna work.
We don't need them. Mr. Bit! He can solve it! Then he's every coder's idol.
The legendary icon's gonna come out of retirement after hiding for years. For us? I mean, you'd have a better chance getting Iron Man here.
I do not have time for this. Okay, call Mr. Bit. Call Superman. Call Batman. I do not care. I need someone with answers right now. I do not care who it is. We need solutions now, people. Come on.
And just one more click.
What just happened?
I have no idea.
Great. Problem solved. So, can I get that signature?
I'm sorry. Who are...
Who the hell let you into our system? The infrastructure is delicate. You could crash everything.
Yeah. See? Not crashing it. Saving it. So, Elsa Parker, MIT graduate, made this company into the silicon giant it is today. Tech goddess herself. You know, I'm surprised you missed that decoy attack. Thought you were better. Anyways, signature, please. Great, thank you.
I'm sorry, wait. Who are you, exactly? And how... Would you like to stay and work for me? I'll pay you $5 million a year. 10. All right. Name your price then. At least tell me who you are.
Well, me? Just a repairman.
Firewall's back to 100. Hi, General Clint. Yes, all data is secure. We pulled it off. Proud to do our part. Yes, thank you. We just got $5 billion in new government funding. Athena Tech is officially Silicon Valley's largest tech firm.
Us. Coding signature, though. Could it be?
Chill out, man. Guy's a genius, whoever he is.
Hey, find out everything you can about that genius ASAP. Okay?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Cheers.
All right. On to the next job.
Mr. Xavier.
Yeah. I mean, no. No. Not me. No, that's... General. Dexter. Long time no see. Is there, network trouble on base again? Told you, just restart it. You don't need my help.
Don't play games with me, Xander. It's over.
Boss? We need you back. 5 years ago, you left strategies and disappeared. I followed your orders. Company X now dominates the tech industry worldwide. Your last order was to throw a party and sign that $1 trillion deal with the Greens. But,
Look, Sophia saved my life 5 years ago, okay? You know who I was, but she still did. I mean, I owe her everything.
I don't care about your family drama. It's not me who needs you. It's the United States government. So stop this little hide-and-seek game. Don't test the military.
All right, General. Look, tonight's my girl's birthday, okay? Gonna propose. After that, we're gonna go out, have a good night. I mean, we can start tomorrow, can't we?
Fine. Enjoy your last night as a nobody. Don't keep me waiting, Mr. Bitt.
I haven't heard that name in a while.
Get used to hearing it again. Because the military is selecting companies citywide for a next-gen AI development project. And with the legendary Mr. Bitt at the helm, the geniuses will definitely come running.
boss, 5 years ago, you ordered us to help the Greens out at any cost. If it weren't for us, they would have gone bankrupt 20 times already. They make terrible business decisions.
I mean, it's not totally true.
Even with us helping them, they're not interested in learning from their mistakes. Instead, they're obsessed about breaking into high society. If we give the Greens this $1 trillion deal, they will mess it up.
Why don't you go ahead and find a mirror? Put this on for me.
Exactly. Sophia. Hey, Sophia. I'm sorry, I was getting back home late.
Sophia, when are you gonna dump that loser boyfriend of yours? Aren't you interested in continuing what we have?
My girlfriend is with some other guy.
Anyways, please reconsider this deal.
Look, Dexter, the Greens they're old money. They're not like the Xaviers or the Parkers, okay? I mean, they want to be seen. Look, tell everyone in San Francisco the Xavier heir is throwing a big party, all right? Everyone's invited.
What? Sir, I don't understand.
I want to show them that when I fell for Sophia, they were already at the top rung. People look up to them.
As you wish.
Clothes are ready?
Everything is set. The restaurant where you had your first date has been rented out. Chef Collins is flying in from Europe. That one-of-a-kind cake that you really like is being airlifted from Paris? The ring you designed. It'll be the most thoughtful and expensive proposal in history.
Good. Because time and money spent on love is very good luck. Well, guess I should go get ready.
Sorry, that was just a friend messing with me.
I know. I trust you, sweetheart. See you tonight.
Sophia, after you agree to my proposal, I'll make you the richest woman on earth. You'll be on top of the world.
Xander. Xander.
Hey, sorry, who is this?
Joey, this is my boyfriend, Xander. Xander, this is my old friend.
Oh, this is Joey Trott. He's a VP at Company X. He and Sophia dated in college. Oh, they were perfect together.
Mom?
Mrs. Green, you flatter me, really. I'm just honored and lucky to have the trust of the Xavier family. Of course, along with managing the San Francisco investments.
The Xavier family.
You wouldn't understand, repair boy.
Hey, Sophia, why'd you bring us to this tavern? What is this? You're not working on the street corner as fruit salesman again, are you?
No, she's not. This is your first date, remember? And the cake, it's from that French baker you love so much. Here, there's more. Come on.
Ew, gross. This is your birthday gift? Mr. Trott here gave her an entire custom jewelry collection.
Well, to be fair to me, it's not the whole of the birthday gift, just a small token to start off. Tonight, I'll give Sophia something truly worthy of her. Not like, whatever this is. Oh, well, I guess it's the best you can afford, right? I mean, unclogging sewers clearly doesn't pay the bills, does it?
It's network maintenance.
Oh, whatever. He's still just a poor fool with no class. He's not worthy of my daughter. We belong in high society.
Exactly. Joey promised to spoil my sister rotten.
Finn, stop.
Sorry, Joey, no offense, but you're just a low-level employee.
Shut up, you psycho! I'm sorry, Mr. Trott.
Joey, I'll make him disappear.
Finn, stand down, buddy. It's okay. Not this time. Because really, there's no need. He clearly just sees that his woman has found a better man. Even an idiot can see when he's lost. Hence, the anger, the insecurities, even these sad little delusions.
You do seem a tad delusional, I gotta be honest. But Company X has a fantastic psychologist. Here, I got his number. 1 second.
Stop. Show Joey respect.
Respect? He came here with his hand around your waist.
There's nothing between us.
Sophia.
Hey! What are you gonna do? You're gonna hit a woman in public?
No, I...
Joey's right. Your ego can't stand seeing me with someone better. I shouldn't have come here.
Oh, buddy!
Sophia, I spent all day trying to make this perfect for you.
Still nothing compared to what Joey gave me. Please don't embarrass me anymore.
Forget him. Joey, come on, I'll drive you.
Sander. See you at the birthday party. Wear something better. Don't disappoint me again.
I gave up my life to be with you, to help your family. I gave you my whole heart and love. But to you, I don't even compare to some lying jackass. Sophia, tonight you'll learn no one deserves to be your husband more than me.
Hey, good work, Dexter. Impressive turnout. Is Sophia's gift ready, by the way?
Boss, one more thing. Miss Xavier will also be attending.
Hey, big brother. How'd your proposal go?
Lana? Are you coming to the party?
Well, of course I'm coming to the party. You've been hiding from the whole family for this Sophia Green. I've got to see what kind of woman makes you so crazy.
It's very funny. Look, just don't cause any drama, all right?
Drama? Me? Please. After your little disappearing act, remember the foundation fell to me. And my judgment's gotten pretty good. Anyway, relax. No drama. Dex.
All right. This is an Xavier family event. I don't see your face on the guest list.
Dexter must have been so flustered by Lana, didn't add Lana to the guest list.
Hey, you're that repair guy, right?
Yeah, that's what they call me. You got invited too?
Yeah, well, I should be thanking you, actually. Without your help, I wouldn't be invited to a Xavier family event. He's with me, actually. Can we go in?
Oh, no, don't worry about it.
I've been meaning to thank you properly, and I want to pick your brain on an annoying sub-protocol issue.
Sure.
Thank you. I guess.
Oh,
This is beautiful.
it's gorgeous. Huh. Oh,
I was just coming to find you.
This is how you repay me?
Flirting with some random woman?
no, she's just a friend.
Funny how you didn't seem to understand just friends when you saw me with Joey. I told you not to disappoint me. Again.
I am going to get us some drinks.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I know. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Guys like you are like gum on your shoe. Impossible to get rid of.
Look around. All of San Francisco's elite are here for Sophia. Look at their gifts. Fine wine, art, luxury watches. And you? What did you give her? Some shabby cake? Oh, please. Can't you see she's traded up?
Oh, no, my gift's on the way still.
Yeah, what is your gift? Pizza and cold cut sandwiches?
That sounds delicious. But no. Hey, look, guys, I've helped your family out for 5 years now. That's worth more than all of this combined.
You helped us. You're a dead weight we've been carrying for 5 years.
Yeah, if Sophia married somebody wealthy like Joey instead of dating you, we would have doubled our fortune by now, and we'd be rubbing elbows with people who matter.
Yeah, no, that's true. That's true. But if I wasn't behind the scenes, helping you guys, you've been bankrupt 20 times by now. Look, and for Sophia, for a fun birthday, right?
Just do it.
Incorrect?
Oh!
Says the bottom feeder.
Fancy clothes don't make you one of us. You're nothing but a mangy stray my sister took pity on.
Look, tonight's a nice night. Don't make me angry.
The company's ex-executives have arrived. The company's ex-executives have arrived.
Oh, Mr. Calloway.
Hi, how are you?
Oh,
Good to see you.
This is the famous San Francisco VC. His track record's insane. Every investment he backs by his own beat.
Councilwoman.
That's Councilwoman Anderson. Mrs. Green knows all the right people.
Oh, I love your contents. Your reels, I watch them all the time. They inspire me daily.
That influencer has 15 million followers. Didn't she just sign with the Finn Green's media company?
Who is backing the Green family?
Now, sorry for interrupting. Mr. Xavier would like to wish the dear Sophia a very, very happy birthday. So, a little surprise if you all don't mind taking out your phones and seeing what's trending on the news right now. A birthday drone show. That's right. That's for you, dear. Costing north of $500,000, I might add.
Wait, Mr. Xavier, as in...
Xavier Air and Company X founder, that's right. Yes, his securities company has saved the government hundreds of times. It's the #1 traded company since it went public. He's simply a living legend. And I, as his close friend, brought the birthday girl, Sophia Green, this gift, plus a $1 trillion contract.
No. No, I'm sorry, that's not the case. When I got Sophia the drones and the contract, I did not have a close friend anywhere near.
I'm sorry, everybody. You're saying you got Sophia the contract? Oh, that's so rich. Oh, wow. So, let me get this straight. You're claiming to be the Xander Xavier himself.
Nice to meet you.
Shut up! Still lying for your stupid ego? Stop embarrassing me!
Gifts for Miss Sophia Green. We have a private Caribbean island. We have a private Gulfstream G700 jet. We have a Graf diamond masterpiece, a fairy's dream tiara.
I never lied to you, Sophia. All of these gifts